are fighting. Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, since I look really glowy, my skin has been looking clear lately. Let me do a close-up so y'all can see how clear my skin has been looking. Look at this. Oh, so clear. I wanted to do a skincare guru's clear skin under a microscope. So that is what we're going to do today, just to see have I been faking it for this long. I just want to let you guys know I have not exfoliated. This skincare guru has not exfoliated her skin. And for those who are asking, I am a skincare guru, not skincare influencer. Y'all let the pseudo intellectuals in the skincare community be a skincare influencer. I'm the guru. With that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and get I am very hairy. I'm like right on my cheek, and y'all, I'm looking hairy. This is so crazy how hairy I look. I just want to say I have not exfoliated. So, wait, what is that black? What is that? Wait, what is that? Wait. Oh, is that a mole? Can y'all see? Is that a wart? What is that? Let me focus. What is that? What is that? Oh my, I did not see that in the camera. It looks like a wart or a scab. That is not a scab. I have not scratched my skin. It can't be a mole. Okay, so I have like a mole right here and here. So I'm trying to figure out what is that. It looks horrific. Y'all, so it looks like there's a hair in it. Like, ew. Oh my God, I lost it, but it looks like there is like a hair in it. It looks nasty. Look, you know we gonna move on, because I will sit there and be like, what's that? Like, I don't even see it in the camera. Hold on. Do y'all see? It was like right in here. Like, it was not down here. It was like right up here. Can y'all see any like dark spot? What was that? What was that? Okay, so I'm doing my forehead. Why does my forehead look hairy? I'm just really hairy. Why am I like every quarter of a mile we go, it's really hairy and sweaty. Y'all, I am not sweating. What is that little hair? It looked like a sprout. Why am I hairy? I feel like the older I get, y'all, I'ma just be hairy. Like, literally, I am covered in hair, and it continues to grow. I'm not mad at it because, you know, I don't know. Oh, that's my eyebrow. Because I'm like, whoa, what is this? Like, look at my eye. What is going on in my eyebrow hair? Oh my God. You know what it looks like in my eyebrow hair? Like I have Kratos cap. I kid you not. I look like I got Kratos cap. Can y'all see those long pieces of hair? Let me focus a little bit. Look how long they are. It's like they're literally in the grooves and wrinkles of my forehead. And how come when I squinch up my forehead, you'll see, like I look like a leatherback turtle. Look at how it looks when I squinch. This is crazy, I swear. I have really great skin on the other side of my cheek, I must say. You know, this side was looking a little janky, but this side looks really great. I mean, I'm just covered in hair. Are those gray hairs or white hairs? I mean, my skin doesn't look that bad, but I am covered in hair. What is going on this too? Y'all, I am literally covered in hair. Someone gonna ask, do you shave? No, I don't shave my face at all. I didn't think it was this bad. I may need to start shaving because I am covered in hair, y'all. Wait, what is that? Is that like a two for hair in one? Can y'all see that? Ew, what is that? That looks like, what is that? I don't know. Oh my God, is that an ingrown hair? What is that? Oh my God, what does it look like? It's like what is it? It's moving. What is it? What is that? It looks like a popcorn kernel. I don't know. What is that? I mean, my skin looks smooth on this side, but it look, you know, where you like, okay, you got a little bit good skin, and then you see like this little thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and do like the mustache or the upper Cupid's bow area. Let's see. Now, wow. Now, I want to say this. Why is this not as covered in hair as the rest of my face was? Is it covered in hair? It looks the same as the rest of my face. Can you guys see, like, I would expect like a little more hair, but it looks like my whole entire body. Like, I have really okay skin. It doesn't look, now you guys see how I have different textures of skin. So here it's like lines, and then you get over here and it looks like X's. What is that? Is that what is that? Is that's lint? That would have to be lint. That is not hair. But look at my nose. Doesn't my nose look great? I really take really great care of my nose because, you know, I just don't like blackheads up here. But what is that? As soon as I tell y'all I take really great care of my nose, we see that. It's not hairy at all either. Now, we went all over my face looking hairy, and we get to my nose and it's just oily because, you know, I have an oily T-zone area. But look at this nose. Look at this nose. I have a really great nose. I told you guys. Okay, you guys, so now we're going to do my chin. And I want to say this. My chin is not my favorite area. Okay, I always say I have one of the worst chins possible. Like, when I do my close-ups, y'all see my chin, but you look at a mess. So, look, you were pre-warned before you saw the chin. Okay? What is that? It looks like I am harboring pimples. Oh my God, that looks so gross. What? Oh my God. It's like 3 in the same area. Oh my God, it looks horrible. I always knew I had a horrific chin, but good grief. Oh my, what is that? As soon as we get down to the chin, can y'all see? It's like they're ready. Look, I said I didn't have one of the best chins. Oh my God, that is horrific. Looks like a crater. Like, literally, it looks like a crater, like a fish. Like, it's so gross. Pop me, pop me. I don't even know where it is. I feel like I want to pluck it, but then if I try to get the tweezers and pluck it, it's gonna disappear. So we just gonna move right along. That looks like a hair that's a baby hair that sprouted out under my chin. Like, that looks horrifying. Like, oh my God, it's ready to grow. It needs to be cultivated and grow. Oh my God, look at it. Oh, wow. What? Look, they are fighting. My chin hairs are literally fighting a battle. Y'all, they are fighting to see who's gonna win. Like, it's like sword fight. What is that? What is that? Ew, what is, look, what is it? I don't know. It looks like, oh my God, it's 2 of them. Can y'all see the second one? Okay, you guys, so that's pretty it with the microscope. I was going to get in my hair, but you know, I am just looking a mess. Like, I am shocked, honey. I gotta go get some tweezers. I'm sprouting hairs everywhere. everywhere. It looks horrifying. I am shocked because, you know, I be going out here with no makeup because, you know, my skin has been looking flawless. So I go out with no makeup now, but I didn't realize I was this hairy. Like, I am so hairy. I am pretty shocked. My skin is not as smooth as I thought it was. This should just tell you guys that, you know, smoke and mirrors, smoke and With that being said, you guys, I just want to say this. You may have the prettiest skin up close in someone's eye, but to the naked eye, your skin looks hideous. That's all I have to say. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. What did you think of my hideous skin? I am shocked. I am hairy. I didn't realize I was so hairy. And like, I don't want to shave because, you know, that's just not my thing. So I'm just okay with the little microfiber hairs. I'm just gonna leave them where they are, but just expect me to be whiskers. I kind of feel like this, the older I get, like I may start harboring like a mustache and a beard. Like, I'm really worried now. I may have to up the estrogen. I'm gonna have to start taking soy tofu because I am hairy. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.